Ndewo. Aha m bụ Ijeọma, onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. Ka eme taa? So, enwere m ajụjụ. I have a question for you today, and I'll ask it in Igbo first. So I want you to try and work out what the question means, and then check your answers at the end of the video when I will say it in English. Oh, ngwana ka anyị bido. Kee otu ị ga-esi mara na ị nwetala ihe ị chọrọ? Kee otu ị ga-esi mara na ị nwetala ihe ị chọrọ? So this is like two questions in one, two sentences are there. So break it down to help you. Kee otu ị ga-esi mara na ị nwetala ihe ị chọrọ? Kee otu ị ga-esi mara na ị nwetala ihe ị chọrọ? Ma dash dash dash. Okay? So Igbo agwụla ebe m ga-asụ Igbo. So if you want to check the translation, that's what's coming next. If you're not ready for the translation yet, spend more time here on the Igbo side. Okay? So how will you know you've achieved your goal? Okay? Kee otu ị ga-esi mara na ị nwetala ihe ị chọrọ? When dash dash dash. Okay? So when, that is ma. Okay? So I want you to do with this question is to have a think of, you know how you said why you were learning Igbo? Okay, maybe it was to communicate with your dad or your mom. Okay? And now my question is, how will you know you've achieved what you set out? So will it be when you can then say, example, oh, when I can spend like 5 minutes chatting with my dad in Igbo, I will know that I've achieved my goal. Or when I can chat maybe 50% of the time with my dad in Igbo, and when I understand him like 75% of the time. Okay? Or when I understand everyday stuff like eating, cooking, going out. And please be specific. Write exactly those things that you will want to be able to achieve. Okay? That will help you know you've achieved your goal. So how will you know you've achieved your goal? I want to know specifically. So you can tell me when I can discuss about current affairs in Igbo, or when I can discuss about football in Igbo, or when I can discuss, it might be up to 5 topics, it can be 10 topics. Just list them for me. Okay? So when, and then again, I want you to start answering it in Igbo like this. Ma dash dash dash. Then again, don't worry if the rest of the sentence is in English, so long as you start it this way. Ma speaking about football in Igbo. Okay? So that'll be, I'm happy with that, I'll understand it. Okay? Ma speaking about food in Igbo, I'll understand it. So when you are able to speak about food in Igbo. Okay? You want to try and do it in Igbo, try. Okay, feel free, just write it anyhow you want, but I want the answers. That's the important thing. Okay, enola ngwana Jisi ike go ị na-agbalị, so dere m ya n'okpuru. Okay, ngwana ka ọ dị.